we're going to talk about an issue that a lot of people run into when kerning and welding, and that's when one of the characters is filled in, like an O is filled in or the little circle in the E is filled in. So here I've got the word clicker script, and that's the font that I just downloaded today. It's a Google font that I downloaded through wordmark.it. And so I'm going to go ahead and kern this. I'm going to decrease my letter spacing. Okay, and everybody looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and move that P in. And we'll move the T over. And maybe move that out just a tad. All right, so, and this one looks like that needs to be moved over, and so does that. And let's go ahead and weld. See what happened with the E? It looked like I had it exactly right, but the E, the circle in the E is completely solid. So what I need to do is undo and then move the R over a little bit and the E over a little bit. And if you can't see it very well, just make it bigger. And we can try to weld again. And that looks good. That's what happens when an O or an E or maybe the inside of a P is filled in solid after you weld. You need to undo and then separate your letters a little bit.